In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to order confirmation emails on Shopify. Having your logo in your emails is a simple but powerful way to reinforce your brand and make your store look more professional every time a customer places an order. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin. From your main Shopify dashboard, this is the screen where you see your store overview, orders, and analytics. We're going to work our way into the settings where email notifications are controlled. Look towards the bottom left corner of your dashboard and click on Settings. This is where you manage the behind-the-scenes configuration for your store, like payments, checkout, and of course, notifications. Once you're in the settings area, find and click on Notifications. This section controls all the automated messages Shopify sends out on your behalf, such as order confirmations, shipping updates, and other customer emails. Inside the notifications page, you'll see different categories. Look for the one labeled Customer Notifications. Go ahead and click on that. These are the messages your customers actually see, so this is where we want to make sure your branding is consistent. Next, you'll see an option called Customize Email Templates. Click on this. Instead of editing the code of individual templates, Shopify gives you a central place where you can control the general look and feel of your emails, including adding a logo. You should now be in your email settings area. Here, look for the option that allows you to add an image or logo. Click on Add Image. This will open your file picker and media library. Before you do this, it's a good idea to have your logo file ready, ideally in a clear PNG or JPG format, and sized appropriately so it doesn't appear too large or too small in emails. When the file selector opens, choose the logo you would like to add. You can either upload a new file from your computer or select an existing image from your Shopify files if you've already uploaded it before. Take a moment to confirm that the logo looks sharp and not blurry. Once you've selected the correct logo, confirm your choice by clicking on Done. Shopify will now save this image as the logo used in your customer email templates, including order confirmation emails. From this point on, every new order confirmation email Shopify sends will automatically include your logo, helping your brand stand out and giving your